What's going on? June with the Sushi Man, and in this video, I'm gonna take this. That's right, that's legit A5 Wagyu beef from Costco, and we're gonna make some sushi out of it. And then we'll do a taste comparison with some American Wagyu beef sushi. This one's gonna be a fun one. Alright, now let's get right into it. So if you've been following my channel, you might have seen the video where I took American Wagyu, pretty similar to this, and turned it into nigiri sushi. In that video, I explained the difference between Wagyu from America and official Wagyu imported from Japan. So if that's something you're interested in, go check it out after you watch this one. In this video, we're just gonna dive right in, starting with the American Wagyu. So this is some thinly sliced short plate that I got from my local Asian market, and it's right around $28 a pound, which, I mean, it's not the most affordable, but compare that to $90 a pound for the A5. And Snake River Farms does a great job with their American Wagyu. I mean, that marbling looks pretty good. Alright, time to make some sushi. Okay, now I'm just gonna set this aside for now, and we'll move on to our A5. So again, this was $90 a pound, which is actually a very good price for A5 Wagyu. I mean, it's Costco, so it's gotta be a good price, right? And I'm not sure if all Costco's carry them. I know I was surprised to see it at my local store. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, and look at that. That is some insane marbling. And if you go onto Costco's website, it says that this is from Nakajima, which is a very well-known area for their Wagyu cattle. I mean, just look at that. It's so pretty. Alright, let's make some more sushi. And I'm wearing gloves for this one because the A5 Wagyu beef has such a high fat content. Okay, now we're gonna torch these so it becomes that perfect medium rare. But I actually like mine more on the rare side, so I'll probably do a little bit less. Alright, here we go. And now for some simple toppings. Little bit of flaky salt over all of them. First one I'm just gonna leave as is, maybe just a tad bit more salt. Second piece, let's brush on some nikiri joyu. And then a little bit of kizami wasabi. And then for this last one, I got a little surprise for you. Boom, some white sturgeon caviar. Cause I mean, why not, right? I'm spending $100 on the steak. Might as well go all out. Alright, I am super excited. Let's try to get some close-up of these, and then it's tasting time. Alright, time to eat. I'm gonna start with the American Wagyu, and we'll alternate piece by piece so that we can get the best comparison. Yes. Yeah, that's solid. And you can't go wrong with it for that price. Alright, now for the A5. Just the salt, nothing else. Oh my god. That is what A5 Wagyu is all about. When people say that it melts in your mouth, it really does. Man, it's been a while since I had legit A5 Wagyu, but this reminds me why it's so popular and expensive. That was delicious. Now I can't really go back to the American Wagyu. I might have messed up the order here, but... Alright, let's try piece number 2. Yes. I mean, yeah. Again, this is really good. For a third of the price, it doesn't break the bank, and I could eat this any day. Alright, let's try the A5 with nikiri joyu and kizami wasabi. Alright, itadakimasu. That is what I'm talking about. The umami from the nikiri and that hint of kizami wasabi is the perfect complement to Wagyu beef. It cuts the richness and balances out the flavor just right. Man, that piece was absolutely amazing. Alright, last round. Yes. The caviar definitely adds some saltiness and a little bit of that ocean brine. Love it. Alright, last piece of the A5. Look at that bougie little piece of sushi right there. Itadakimasu. I'm at a loss for words. It's just so tender. It's like a piece of butter, but filled with savory beef juice. Now, that might not sound that great for some of you, but man, you just have to try it. And that caviar is just the icing on the cake. Doesn't get much better than that. Alright, so here are my honest thoughts. Is the Costco A5 Wagyu worth $90 a pound? In my opinion, yes, it definitely is. You go to a restaurant and you'll be paying at least double, if not triple that amount. And it's legitimate A5 Wagyu imported from Japan. So considering the convenience and price, and the fact that you can cook it exactly the way you want, yeah, I think it's well worth it. Now, are there higher quality A5 Wagyu available? Of course. It really just comes down to how much you're willing to pay, and whether you want someone else to cook it for you or not. And this American Wagyu is still a good deal, and is far better than your standard beef. But if you compare the two, well, it's not even close. So yeah, good job Costco. Alright, that's about it from me. As always, feel free to leave me any questions or comments below. And if you've tried Costco A5 Wagyu already, then I would love to know what your thoughts were. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu.